morning, Helen from Music and Movement here again. Oh, the fun in a tin has stopped. What have we got? Cleaning time. Now this may seem like a very boring activity to us parents and carers, but to involve children in cleaning is a fabulous opportunity to spend that time bonding, and also there are lots of skills developed in cleaning. So if you're washing up or cooking, to perhaps have a small plastic bowl on the floor with some washing up liquid and get your child to wash up some cups, some plastic cups and some cutlery, but nothing too sharp. Also folding sheets, if you're putting some sheets out on the washing line or folding up the washing, getting children to help you, really good one for mathematical concepts. And getting them to just polish and clean and hoover up and mop. Just be careful of harmful toxins. Don't use any bleach or anything like that that's going to be dangerous for your children. So getting them involved in cleaning, even setting the table is a lovely one for them to do to help learning. Okay, cleaning time. Fortune teller. Now, does anybody remember making one of those fortune tellers? It's out of a piece of paper. I'm going to put a link on here to show you how to do it. So have a look at the link, and then you have lots of different colours on the top. So 4 different colours. You choose a colour. If you choose blue, then it's B-L-U-E. Then you fold it open and there's a number. Then you open and close the fortune teller depending on which number it is. And then you choose another number, and underneath that number is written an activity. So it could be jump up and down 5 times, it could be curl up into a little ball, it could be something silly like make the sound of a monkey or pretend to be a monkey, whatever you want. So fortune teller is a great one. Let's have a look. I've got 2 here. Junk modelling. Junk modelling. So have a look at the recyclable items or anything that you've got in the home if you've had some deliveries or some parcels, and see if you can do some sticking and some fun activities with junk modelling. Something else I like to use as well is I like to make homemade popcorn at home, and then with a lovely sort of fat embroidery needle is to thread the popcorn. We can paint the popcorn and thread the popcorn and make a lovely necklace. So anything to do with junk modelling, recycling, that's a great activity. So let's see what we've got today. Cleaning time, junk modelling, and the fortune teller. Have fun! Until soon!